To properly clean and maintain your .223 caliber 5.56 millimeter family of firearms, you simply pull the bolt back, take your 30-inch Memory Flex cleaning rod, assemble your slotted tip on one end, assemble your obstruction remover T-handle stud on the other end. You take one of your cotton patches, stick the tip through the slot in the patch. Take a pinch on the patch, feed it back through the slot in the tip, and pull. That gives you a swab that will give you 360 degrees with inside your bore. Take your cleaner, lubricant, and preservative, a 85 Ultra bore, and put a few drops of solvent on the front end of the patch. After lubricating your cotton swab, you take your obstruction remover, stick it into the action of the firearm. Assemble the T-handle, which gives you more leverage in pulling the swab down the barrel. Pull the swab to the chamber. This will clean the neck, the shoulder of the neck, and the bore in one pull. Now we will assemble the bore brush. The rule of thumb is to run a patch with solvent, run a brush, then run a dry patch to mop out what the solvent patch and the brush have loosened up. You insert the obstruction remover into the action, then assemble your T-handle. To clean the locking lug area of your AR, M4, M16 family of firearms, you need to remove the bolt and your charging handle. Take your locking lug bore brush, chamber brush, insert it into the upper receiver, and turn. This helps clean the chamber and the locking lugs. Other essential tools to clean the locking lug part of your AR, M4, M16 family of firearms is the compact receiver brush and the locking lug scraper tool. Simply attach them to the rod handles and you can go in and easily scrape away the carbon from the locking lug area of your firearm. Now to disassemble the bolt in the bolt carrier, I will use the pin punch on one end of the rod handles and the brass scraper on the other. First we need to push the pins out with the pin punch. Remove the firing pin and remove the cam and remove the bolt. Here you use a brass scraper to clean the carbon. Brass scraper is also used to clean the bolt face. Now we will remove the extractor pin. This is one of the most critical elements of the bolt. Before reassembling your bolt and bolt carrier, it's ideal to wipe down all of your parts. The last two tools in the scraper set that we'll use is the pick to get into the hard to reach crevices and the end brush, which we'll use to lubricate and oil the slides.